Hey guys, Kevin with WaterMonster here. One of the most common questions I get asked all the time is, how do you clean your WaterMonster tank? Well, today in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it can be. So let's get started. So there's three things that you need to sanitize your WaterMonster tank. A water hose, unscented common household bleach, and our new sanitizer spray bottle. Now what's great about this sanitizer spray bottle, it has this little valve feature that when you turn it into the upright position, it'll pull the chlorine from the container and mix it with the water to make a really strong sanitized solution. And when you want to rinse it off, you simply turn the valve horizontal and it'll wash the tank off real nice and clean. Let's give it a try. Okay, before cleaning, it's probably a good idea to wear some rubber gloves when you're handling this chlorine. So I've gone ahead and already hooked up the hose to the pistol grip. And this bottle, you're going to fill it about a third full with your bleach. Anything more than that, it's really a waste. You're not going to use it. And so when you activate the water, which we're going to do here, this is going to draw the chlorine up and mix it up, and it's going to create a mixture of about 1,000 parts per million of chlorine to water ratio. And anything over 1,000 parts per million is in the sanitation cleaning stage there. So let's go ahead and turn the water on and get this tank cleaned up. Okay, we're ready to clean our WaterMonster tank. And for time, I've already positioned the tank on its side here. We've got the lid removed. I've got the sanitizer spray bottle. And starting off here, we're going to put the lever in the upright position to mix the chlorine. So here we go. So you want to rinse it down real good. And you can definitely smell that chlorine bleach working. And if you do notice any kind of any debris that you don't like, take a towel, wipe it off, and then just rinse it off and you're good. So you're going to go ahead and drain it out. And then now we're going to switch over to the fresh water and tilt the tank here so all that excess water just drains off. And you want to be sure to get all the chlorine sanitizer out. Just give it a few extra squirts to get it out. And that's really it. You're going to want to do the same thing to the lid and then stand the tank upright, wash the outside, get all the spigots real good, and then you're sanitized and ready to fill with water, guys. It's really that easy. So good luck.